biggest thing to me is that I'm 100 years of age.
Super.
Oh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sherry. Good evening. We're sorry to interrupt your dinner. My name is Steve Smith. I am the director of the Ringling Brothers in Barnum and Bailey Clown College. I'd like to introduce you to David Kaiser, Sean Conklin, Dan Rooney, and Greg DeSanto of the greatest show on earth. When we found out that Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Circus would be playing Las Vegas at the same time that the Sons of the Desert would be meeting here, we were thrilled. Sherry, we thank you so much for letting us be a part of this event, to come and meet and honor a man who has inspired us, Mr. Hal Roach. Mr. Roach, I can't tell you what a thrill it is for us to meet you. You, and especially the boys, have been an inspiration to us and to comedy throughout the ages. We study Laurel and Hardy films extensively at the Clown College to see the structure of the comedy, to watch how the gags work, and to see the love and inspiration that they give to the fine art of physical comedy. And we thought, during our 25th anniversary year of Ringling Brothers Barnum and Bailey Clown College, that we would like to honor you by giving you an award that we call the Otto. The Otto is an award that was named after the great circus clown Otto Griebling. This award was formed in 1987, and it's given to folks who have been an inspiration to the world of physical slapstick comedy. And so it's a great honor for us, the clowns of Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus and the Clown College, to present the Otto Award to a true inspiration to comedy, Mr. Hal Roach. Okay, Hal, we'll get you up to the microphone.
The only reason that it takes me so long to get from there to here is that I'm 100 years old. If there wasn't so many people here, I would like to thank one after another, the whole blooming bunch of you, for having me here. Even as I think 100 is too many years to have. I think, I don't know. I've only been 100 for a very short time. What kind of coffee was that?
Dimitas.
I was having dinner with a lady, and she ordered a Dimitas, and they brought her a large cup of coffee. And she said, "Waiter, I ordered a Dimitas." He says, "Well, lady, drink half of it." And I'm going to quit on that one.